Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Eva, and on my channel we just do whatever you want to do. If you're new, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to run the road to 300k or whatever. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be trying to do some little passion twists. I realized I have a whole lot of hair left over from when I did those butterfly locks, and if I'm not mistaken, you're going to use the same hair that you're going to use for butterfly locks for passion twists. I have 3 packs basically, because I didn't ever finish this one, and then I have 2 whole ones, so I should have enough. But I just want to say this: I'm not a professional, so if you want to, this is not a tutorial either, but if you want to follow along and watch, then you can. This is like this is gonna be my first time doing anything with twists with my hair, because I don't twist it. But I do know I don't want to wear it like this no more. I just want to put it up in a style where, you know, I can just go and be free. Now I'm going to be using my gels that I always use, y'all. You know the gels that I use. So you're going to want some gels. This is what you're going to want to use if you're going to do this hairstyle. I know that. Different types of gels I have. I'm going to need some rubber bands. I'm going to do the crochet method because I just feel like that's easier. And since I've cut my hair in the back, I don't know if y'all can tell, when I blunt cut my hair, my back isn't long at all. So I'm gonna crochet. I'm not gonna sit here and try to do all the extra stuff. I do want my boxes to be a little medium size. I don't want them small because I'm not gonna leave them long at all. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna have some oil to put in my hair before I even get started. So I'm gonna actually go off camera, part my hair, and I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna start my little hair. I have my laptop here. I'm gonna be watching, what is it, Genie in Georgia. I've never watched this episode, but the series or whatever, but I've seen so many people talking about it, so I'm gonna watch this. So yeah, I'm gonna be parting my hair watching this because I think it's like a lot of episodes, and drinking my water. So I will see you guys in a couple minutes, hours. I don't know how long it's gonna take to part my hair. My head ain't that big, but hopefully it don't take long because I'll be back. So 2 hours later, or an hour later, I'm still in the first episode, but I had watched a YouTube video before I started watching Georgie and all that. Y'all did not tell me Gina and Georgie was this damn good. I mean, like, people was explaining it, but I was just doing my own thing. I was like, yeah, sure. So I have my boxes done. I would say if you're gonna do this, like, do the boxes, do them like, well, I'm not gonna say do them the day before, but you know, the boxes do take a little time, but it's gonna make, when I get ready to go through and put my little things in, it's not gonna take that long. I did watch a video of a girl doing hers. She used about like, oh, these are my boxes turned out, by the way. I did them pretty big. I did not want to do them small at all. So since we already have this open, so we're gonna take this out. She said she used oh wow, this one's already kind of messed up. She said she used 1, 2, she said she used 3. Now this is way more than enough to do my damn hair, but she said she used 3. So hopefully I can slide all 3 of these into my hair. Now I want mine to be a bob. Actually, no, should I do them long? I don't know. I might do them long. Oh my god, y'all, so I've been sitting here trying to, I'm just gonna cut that part out, but I've been sitting here trying to make this thing twist. So we just gonna go for a butterfly lock, but I'm gonna do them longer this time. I'm gonna keep the ends curly. So I guess we could rename this whole video me doing my first butter locks for the first time with curly ends. I don't know, because it's not my first time doing butterfly locks, but I'm gonna call these soft locks. First time doing soft locks, and I feel like this way is way better because I can hide my real hair in it. So I'm gonna go through and do this one off camera, and I'm gonna come back and then we can just go ahead and get into this, because I've been sitting here for a little minute and I'm tired of sitting here personally. So we're gonna go ahead and get this done or over with. I'm gonna have to cut these out. I'm gonna have to cut these because these are shorter. I cut them. I shouldn't have cut them. I'm so damn slow. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this so we can get a move on, because I know y'all ready to see how this gonna look. Because I'm ready to see how this gonna look, because I didn't even know that I was gonna switch it up like that. Like, who would have ever thought? So I have 2 done. I've been wasting time. Only have 2 done. I'm gonna be here all day. But now I can finally go ahead and keep going, because I know how I'm styling it now. I should just did this in the first place. It's like with this curly hair, I don't know, but ooh, that hurts. It's like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not even gonna put a lie. I don't know. So we just switch hairstyles because I don't want to sit here all day, and I done took this time to party, so we gonna leave with something. I don't know about y'all, but even finna leave with something, you know. So I'm gonna hush and finish watching Gina and Georgie, because Gina and Georgie is like really good, and I'm kind of sad that I'm late to the show. Oh, this one didn't go through all the way. I'm kind of sad I'm late to the party, you know, like everybody's probably almost done or finished the show, and I'm just now like getting hooked on it. But it is all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this and finishing up. Okay, y'all, so I finally have one side of my whole head done. I decided, like I told you, I was gonna leave the ends curly and all that stuff. So far I really like it. I'm trying to see how I want to wear it, because I'm thinking about leaving one piece down, having the rest No, they're not gonna work like that. I'm gonna have to have all these to the back, or maybe just a few up in a ponytail or whatever, because this one is doing its own little thing. Hold on, I have to stretch that one out. I don't know how I'm gonna style it yet, but I don't know why I'm worried about styling it, and it's not even done. So yeah, so far I like it. I still don't know what I'm gonna name this video, but we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do this side, and I'm gonna come back. I'll come back when I'm finished, and then in the morning I have my makeup on and all that stuff because I'm a little sleepy and I'm gonna help. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so after hours and hours of later, I finally, well, it's not really hours and hours later, I finally finished this side of my hair. I don't even know would you still call these butterfly locks, because it's like I did my own twist to them at the ends. Like I honestly don't know what I'm gonna call this video or this hairstyle, but I really like it. I will say that I really like it. It's very quick and easy, so if you want to do this, it's really quick and easy. I'm still like kind of shook how this video went from, oh, I'm gonna braid it, oh, I'm gonna twist it, to now I have butterfly locks. But I was gonna do something with my hair. I wasn't finna just, you know, not do nothing. But it's late right now, so I'm gonna come back in the morning when my hair is styled, my makeup is on, I'm looking good for y'all, and we can finally do the outro and all that stuff, so y'all can see how I look once it's all put together with a fit. So I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Okay, guys, so it is the morning, and this is just how my hair turned out. I just did a half up, half down. I really love this better than the what is it, butterfly locks. I don't know if these could still consider butterfly locks, but personally I did not braid my hair, and I feel like if you want to do this style, don't braid your hair up under, because when I did it last time, my braids was coming out and it was sticking out. But I'm definitely giving you beach vacation vibes. Like, oh my god, I think, to be honest, and these hairstyles be so quick. Like, these hairstyles don't even be hard to do, y'all. Like, look how cute I look right now. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye.